Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make these beautiful flowers which can be used for decorating your home or even blankets, table mats, table cover, or you can use them as a motif for cushion cover. This pattern is very easy to make and the techniques that I have applied in making this project are chains, single crochet and double crochet. So even a beginner can try to make this. So we are going to begin now. Things that we require for this project are a yarn of your choice, some articles for decoration, a needle, a pair of scissors to use as and when required, and a hook that could match to the thickness of the yarn. So let's get started. At first we have to pick up the tail of the yarn, make a loop, insert the hook in, pull through to make a slip knot. Now wrap the yarn on your hook, pull through, pull through, pull through and pull through. These are 4 chains. We have to make 10 chains. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to go back to the 4th chain, insert the hook in, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is slip stitch. Now foundation ring is ready. Chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet. Insert the hook into the ring, pull through. There are 3 loops on the hook. Pull through 2, pull through 2. This is double crochet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now we don't have to join these 2 stitches. We have to turn the pattern. On the top of the 4th stitch, chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet. Now chain 2 for chain space. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, chain 2 for chain space. On the top of the next stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 2 for chain space. On the top of the next stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 2 for chain space. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, chain 2 for chain space. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1. So complete the round by making 1 double crochet on the top of all the 20 stitches across the round, and there should be chain space of 2 in between each stitch. So complete the round and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When we have completed making 1 double crochet on the top of each stitch, so there are 20 double crochet on the top of 20 stitches of the previous round. Now we have to turn the pattern again, and without joining these stitches we have to come to the chain space of 2 and we have to make single crochet 1, insert the hook into the chain space of 2, pull through 2, single crochet 2, into the next chain space of 2, single crochet 1, single crochet 2, into the next chain space of 2, single crochet 1, single crochet 2. So in this round we have to make 2 single crochet into each chain space of 2. So complete the round by making 2 single crochet into each chain space of 2 across the round, and we will meet again when this round would be completed. When we have completed making 2 single crochet into each chain space of 2, we have to cut the yarn from here because this petal is now complete. We have to make 4 more for the flower following the same pattern. So complete making 4 more petals following the same pattern and we will meet again when 4 more petals would be completed. When these 5 petals are complete, we have to take the help of the needle, and now we are going to stitch all the petals to make a flower. Now stitch these two ends together to make a nice petal. One more stitch. Now first petal is complete. We have to join second petal to the flower. So stitch these two ends together into the middle part of the flower. One more stitch to tighten this petal to the main part. Again, take third petal, and now stitch the ends together to the main part of the flower. When these 3 petals are joined together, we are going to add decoration pieces to the flower. So take 2 of these and join them to the main part of the flower. So join these. Now we have joined this part of the flower to the middle of the flower. Now we have to join the remaining petals following the same pattern. So take both the ends together, insert the needle, and now join it to the main part. Again, take this petal When we have completed flower, we added beads to the middle of each flower. Now this flower pattern is complete. You can use these flowers for decorating your home or even as a motif for blankets, baby blankets, for cushion cover, and so forth and so on. Thank you so much.